Hello guys, in this video I will discuss about SVG. So what is SVG? SVG stand for Scalable Vector Graphics. It is an XML based language to define vector based graphics. So SVG is expected to display image over the web. All these are vector images. SVG image never drop on quality no matter how they are zoomed out or resized. So this is the properties that SVG when you zoom it never drop its quality. SVG images support interactively and animation. You can add animation to the SVG images. Other images format like raster image can also be clubbed with SVG images. So this is SVG. Now what is advantages of SVG? Using a text editor is to create and edit SVG images. You can use text editor to create and edit SVG images. So it is very simple. Being XML based, SVG images are searchable, indexable and can be scripted and compressed. So SVG images are searchable and indexable. So SVG images are very highly scalable and they never loses quality no matter how they are zoomed out or resized. Good printing quality at any resolution. SVG is open standard. So this is the advantages of SVG. Now how SVG integrate with HTML. SVG element that start of SVG image. SVG tag is used for creating an SVG image. SVG element width and height attribute define the height and width of SVG. In the example, we have a circle element draw circle CXCY attribute represent the center of circle, default value 00, R is the attribute which represent the radius of circle. Other attributes stroke and stroke width control the outline of a circle. Fill attribute define the fill color of the circle. Closing tag indicate the end of SVG. So you can also integrate the SVG in HTML. In next video I will create an SVG sample. So now in this video I will tell about what is SVG and what are the advantages of SVG. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also click on bell icon to get latest updates.